I want to touch on your earlier point about also making it accessible to the non-accredited investors. Does REtokens have, to your point on the 12-month lockup, it's tradable after. Do you guys have any plans later on to enable that?
Yeah, we're pretty excited to announce right here with you that March 2025 we will launch a digital ATS, digital alternative trading system, where tokens like the Stone token here of the church and other tokens will be able to be sold under Rule 144. So under Rule 144, once a security has been seasoned for 12 months or 12 months after it's sold, it can actually be sold to non-accredited retail investors. And so we intend to do that with all of the real estate projects that we are tokenizing. So we're very, very excited about it. It's going to really lower the entry barrier for folks to be able to get into high quality real estate investments. So we'll be launching this ATS in March 2025.
That's super exciting. Appreciate you letting our audience know first here on the Security Token Show, Tyler. And I'm excited, obviously, as you guys know, we do track a lot of this on stm.co, and to have another ATS join the secondary markets here and for security tokens specifically, that excites us to see, what else happens. Of course, you guys are working on real estate, around the world and in unique use cases such as the church here. I'm curious to see what else you'll launch in the primary phase from here to March. And then what that activity will look like on the secondaries, especially as you grow your audience, as each of your issuers also grow and contribute their investor base too. And of course, cross-pollination, that's another thing too, that you might have invested into one property because it called your attention. But now that you have an ATS available, you might even be interested in maybe divesting a little bit from one property and investing into another. You never know, what becomes possible. So all good stuff, Tyler. Anything else that our audience should know on that?
Yeah, no, I think your point's well made. I mean, not only is there now access to folks that didn't necessarily have access to that, and vice versa, syndicators and LPs now have liquidity pass, LPs being limited partners, but you can diversify. I mean, real estate is a wealth building animal. So maybe you want to buy some tokens into a property that has great tax benefits. Maybe you want to buy into a property that has great cash flow, or one that has fantastic future equity. And you can actually optimize your own portfolio that way. So I think that's really exciting. Yeah, and another thing would be with this digital ATS we're going to be launching early next year, it's our intention to allow other real estate token issuance platforms to participate in our ATS. So we'll have, we've already got under contract $100 million worth of real estate. Approximately 30's on platform right now. By the end of September, there'll be approximately another 70, and we're in talks that would put us well over $1.5 billion. And then having other issuance platforms be able to participate in this is fantastic for the consumer, because we can start to standardize things. I know you guys recently did a show regarding ratings on security tokens, and once we're able to standardize things a little bit more, we can provide that type of rating, for example, for real estate security tokens, and really be a spot where people who want to invest in real estate, or a form of can go there and get the right information and the right tools that are dedicated to that. Because we also do real estate notes. So people that are looking for fixed income products can actually invest into tokenized real estate notes. And that's on the horizon as well.
Wow. There's a lot in the pipeline here that you guys are working on, Tyler. I had no clue. So even better for us and our audience, again, to anticipate all that by end of year, as well as going into kicking off 2025 on a strong note. This is all exciting stuff, man. Thanks for coming on and sharing all of this. Any last minute messages before we hop off here?
No, just a pleasure to be on, and appreciate what you guys do, putting information and data together, and look forward to talking to you soon.
Awesome. Likewise. Thank you, Tyler. Appreciate it.
All right. See you, Jason.